Hello students, in today's class I am going to teach you how to multiply any two binary numbers, that is binary multiplication. Before doing binary multiplication, let me tell you the rules which are going to be used for binary multiplication. Like we do in decimal multiplication, first we multiply the upper number by individual digits of the lower number and then we will add the answers obtained. Same way binary multiplication is also similar to decimal multiplication. So the rules are as follows: 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So 0 into anything will always be 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Now let's recall the rules of binary addition. If you have not seen the video on binary addition, then you can check it on my channel. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, where 1 is taken as carryover. So now let's start binary multiplication with one example. Say I want to multiply 1101 by 101. So first we will write both the numbers one below the another, the bigger number being at the top and the smaller one we prefer to write at the bottom, as we do in decimal multiplication. Now in 101 the rightmost digit is 1, so first I will multiply the above number by 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 1 is again 1. Then next we will multiply the above number by 0. So we will multiply it by 0, we will get all zeros here, and again we will multiply by 1, then we will get again 1101 here. So after doing these steps we will add all these values as we do in decimal multiplication. So addition rules I have already written on the right side, so you can refer them. So 1 we will write as it is down here. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 I would be writing and 1 will be taken as carryover. Now again 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 I would write here and 1 would be taken as carryover. Now 1 plus 1 is again 1 0. So 0 I would be writing here and 1 would be taken as carryover. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So the answer obtained is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. So this is how we multiply any two binary numbers. It is quite similar to decimal multiplication, only the addition rules we have to follow here. So that's it. Now let's take another example on the same. Say 1011 into 111. So the bigger digits I would write at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. Now by multiplying, normally we will get 1 into 1011 is 1011. So 3 times 1011, like we do in normal decimal multiplication. Now we would add it. So 1 as it is we will write down. Now 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 I would be writing at the down and 1 would be taken as carryover. Now 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So this will become 0 and 1 will be taken as carryover. Now the 0 obtained will be added to the below 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Now moving to the next step, here 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So I will write 0 and take 1 as carry. Now this 0 plus 1 is 1. Now again 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 I would write and 1 would be taken as carryover. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So the answer obtained after multiplying 1011 into 111 is 1001101 to the base 2. So this is binary multiplication. Now let's take one example with floating points in binary number. Say I want to multiply 110.11 into 1.1. So we will note down the numbers in the standard structure. Then normal multiplication as we do with decimal numbers. So 1 into 11011 will be written twice 11011. Now coming to the addition part, 1 will be written down, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, so 0 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 again 1 0 0 and 1 carry over. So same way we will repeat these steps as we did in the earlier two examples, and we will get 10100001. Now we see that after the decimal or the floating point totally 3 digits are there. So from moving from right to left we will count 3 digits and place the period there. So the answer obtained would be 1010.001. You can confirm your answers by converting to decimal form, multiplying and checking. Thank you for watching.